back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be perfect for those of you who want to work from home, but you don't have a computer or a home office setup. This company is going to provide all the computer equipment you need to do the job. All you need to do is have internet access. The company is Glassdoor. They have 397 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.9 out of 5-star rating. Of course, the links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do ask that if you enjoy any of the job leads that I share, give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up, like button. Of course, if you know anybody who could benefit from this, share with all your friends and family, because we all want to work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. But Glassdoor is hiring a payment specialist. Now, this is going to be full-time remote. Pay is starting at $52,000 a year. But they are a leading e-commerce website that helps meet the purchasing needs of food service professionals worldwide. So they basically sell to the service professionals, the restaurants, things like that, not to like individual consumers like me. They're looking for somebody to help work their payment processing systems. You're going to ensure the payment programs are successful and operated flawlessly by working with internal teams and external providers. You also help launch the ongoing operations of critical programs, identifying any opportunities and issues with new and existing payments features and their processes. You'll help develop track and reporting systems for payments to measure, analyze, manage, and communicate operation and performance. So a lot of the job is going to be making sure the payment systems are up to date, running well, and adding any features to them. Now, part of this is going to be reviewing payments. You're going to utilize all tools and resources to ensure the accuracy of the payments are processed and rectify any inaccuracies or errors discovered. You'll investigate and resolve any customer payment disputes and minimize any financial losses for the company. Now, good thing about this position is that they're not requiring any kind of college degree. They want somebody who has advanced Microsoft Excel skills. You can work a spreadsheet because you'll be working with data. They want somebody who has done data analysis before, who has a great attention to detail, who has those critical thinking and problem solving skills. Now, on top of the $52,000 a year, they also offer a standard benefit package that's going to include medical, dental insurance, and 401k. And right here, they say you do have to have a physical address. PO boxes are not supported where they can send your computer equipment. Now, only thing about this, you do have to be a legal resident of one of these states in the United States to be eligible for this position. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those. But give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.